By 1986, ceramic industries was ready to build on its foundations. The next decade would be about growth, expansion, and laying the groundwork for South African excellence. In 1986, CI acquired Better Sanitary Ware.
I started Better Sanitary Ware in 1988. We started Better while we were using the plaster molds. They've got a lifespan of 3 months, 15 toilets per day. Then Mr. Ravazot in 1992 sent us to Colombia because he wanted to do away with plaster molds. I was really fortunate that I was one of those guys who went to Colombia. The first high pressure machine was the ALL's machine. Just like that, the factory started to grow up. Now we see a lot of production.
Expanding into new product lines.
Each and every 20 minutes we get a piece. 20 minutes we get 4 pieces at a time. So it wasn't like before we were casting 15 pieces a day.
3 years later, Samka Wall was constructed, strengthening the company's manufacturing footprint. And in 1992, the acquisition of NCI Tiles further extended CI's reach across Gauteng, marking a decade of strategic growth. Through these expansions, ceramic industries became a part of the Etel Tile Group, combining retail and manufacturing under a shared vision for quality, innovation, and local pride. The success of this decade was built on people. CI invested in its workforce, fostering loyalty, skills development, and perseverance, laying the foundation for generations of artisans and professionals. From strategic acquisitions to developing a skilled workforce, 1986 to 1999 was a decade of building foundations in industry, in communities, and in South Africa's ceramic legacy.